Good morning and welcome to the Automation News Headlines Show. My name is Shawn Tierney and today is Tuesday. It's 8 o'clock in the morning. It's August 13th, 2024. I hope you all are having a great day today. Let's go ahead and take a look at today's headlines. And first up, OnLogic, the IPC folks, are launching a new AI consulting service. Next, we have Cognex. They just launched a new AI-powered counting tool for their Insight Snap Vision sensors. Pretty cool reading that. From there, we go over to Redline. They just launched two new programmable RTUs. And what I thought cool was they're actually using IEC 61131 programming software, and they support a really wide temperature. I think it's minus 40 to plus 70 C. And if you want, you can use Isograph to program them. They're backward compatible with Isograph. So interesting there. And over at SMC, they launched a new compact 5-port solenoid valve. This is their JSY 3000 series. And inductive automation, well, their Build-a-thon, it's down to the two finalists, and they'll compete at their annual event. But I just find this an interesting. I like competitions where people try to create new things to do something. But in any case, DMC versus BIJC. Interesting. Over at the Automation School, we continue work on the Unified Basic and Unified Comfort Panel online course. It's still on sale for $59. You pick up a copy while you can before it goes up in price. Right now, I'm creating images for push buttons and selector switches and pilot lights, and then I'll be doing the widget machine, after which we'll do the advanced lessons. From here, we go over to PNF. They have a new case study about using RFID in the mining industry. And then over at Copia, I thought this was interesting. So they had some of their Rockwell customers saying it's large files that have taken a very long time or stalling when we try to add them to the repository and generate a difference report. And so I thought this was an interesting article about how they went about finding the issue that was causing that, only with the large files, but still, it was very interesting what they did there. And then over at Rockwell, they had an interesting article about MES. This is really for consumer product goods and food and bev. But the question was, is MES on the edge right for you? From there, we go over to Profi News, PI, and I really thought this was interesting. If you're using Profinet, I highly recommend you go and read this article. The Profinet Security Class 1, I learned a lot just from reading this article itself, and very cool there. And of course, there's a Class 2 and Class 3 that'll be following the Class 1 security. Grace has a new article about NFPA 70B, very long and detailed article. And then Bill Weedman had a very interesting case study video about a waterworks that used Aussie as their field bus, and they have some Danforth drives, and I just thought it was really cool. Interesting video. The facility's in an interesting location, so it's not like a green field where everything's nice and fancy, but still the interior was completely redone with technology, and very cool video. Over on Siemens' website, they had a new post here on TIA Portal Addins. And man, they have just some really great add-ins. They have a FC to FB converter. They have a copy PLC add-in. These are all free add-ins you can add right into your TIA portal. And this list goes on and on. So you guys may want to check that out if you're using TIA portal. And then this one from Rockwell, this one had me going. This is the 21 CFR Part 11 Regulation User's Guide for factory talk optics. Yes, it's in the small print right here. Now, I thought it was funny that the print was so small, but it's good. They have this for other, like I know they had it for VUSE, so having this for optics is a must-have, right, for life sciences. So I just wish the optics was a little bit bigger. From there, we go over to Delta V. They said, hey, you want to move from Rockwell to Delta V? We can reuse all your I/O with our I/O Connect for Rockwell I/O. You can see the data sheet here. And then if you enjoyed these headline shows and you want to become a member, starting at just $10 a month, you can do so. You can learn all about the membership over at theautomationblog.com/join, or you can click on the join button. And you also can be a member over at YouTube. Just go to Insights in Automation on YouTube. It's now at Insights IA, and click on join. And with that, that is the end of today's news headline show. I hope you all Your morning's off to a great start. My coffee pot broke this morning, so I got a little earlier than I expected, but still I got my coffee in, so I hope your coffee, if you drink coffee, you're getting it and you're not having any problems with it like I did. And I just want to wish you an awesome day. Wish you health and happiness. And until next time, my friends, peace.